Hi guys and welcome. Today I want to share with you my own experience with the best service in the category Best Web Hosting. After reviewing more than 20 web hosting services, I choose the most reliable one for me. The most popular choice among bloggers and marketers, it is great for beginners and has excellent server performance. I've been using this hosting since 2014 and it has never let me down. Let's not waste any time and let's get started right away.
Linode is a cloud hosting service specializing in high-performance Linux SSD servers. It is distinguished by its successful, innovative approach to security. This includes participation in the HackerOne bug bounty program, which pays hackers to find vulnerabilities. The company doesn't use standard industry terms though. It refers to its plans. They are roughly equivalent to VPS hosting. Along with a wide variety of plans, Linode can help your business with the following features: 9 data centers in 3 separate regions, virtual console for server access, Linode API, command line access, ability to deploy a customizable stack, DNS manager, scaling and cloning, full IPv6 support, recovery mode, also called recovery mode by Linode. Linode specializes in high-performance cloud hosting for developers. One of the main arguments for Linode is its high level of uptime. All companies should demand this feature, especially in today's environment. The 99.9% server uptime guarantee should not be overlooked. The desire for simplicity is perfectly reflected in the control panel. The layout is well thought out and easy to navigate. Moreover, the ability to change things to suit individual needs is also a definite advantage. As far as monitoring is concerned, no one could ask for more. Once the account is activated, the server can be up and running in seconds. These strategies and focus on the key cores. Unmanageable means that a little extra work may be necessary to achieve the desired results. However, the tools are all there. The advanced API platform, as well as the scaling and DNS management tools, make it easy. If the user has the skills to use these resources, the results can be overwhelming. Although not managed by default, it is possible to upgrade to a managed solution. Other add-ons include node balancers and long view. The latter can help systems run more smoothly than ever before. Finally, of note is the fact that the company boasts a downloadable app. Smartphones are ubiquitous in modern life. The app allows customers to create new line nodes, track existing items, and even manage the payment aspects of an account. Having the ability to monitor business decisions on the go is a huge plus for choosing Linode. All Linode plans include root access and SSH. However, there is still a large degree of versatility present. Linode offers a total of 9 standard plans. They range from 1 GB of RAM to 96 GB of RAM, which means businesses of all sizes can find the right level. The starter package includes 1 GB of RAM, 1 core processor, 24 GB SSD drive, 2 TB transfer, 125 MB per second network output. It's probably best to start with a smaller package, as upgrades can be done later if needed. All services are automatically billed on an hourly basis with a set monthly limit. However, there is an additional charge if the transfer rate is exceeded. Payments can be made from many different sources. This includes both MasterCard and American Express. Linode's website is customer-focused, and this is a testament to the high level of support features available online. They boast many guides, from getting started to migrating existing packages to the Linode platform. There is also an entire section dedicated to tutorials to help customers. These can be especially useful for new Linux users. However, customers may want to contact the experts directly. This can be done via phone or Skype, while the company also boasts expected streams on social networks such as Twitter. In addition to these customer support services, Linode also hosts a forum where customers can discuss various issues. In addition to announcements directly from the company, it is a great resource for those trying to use Linux servers. Meanwhile, it's a good way to get advice on any problems you might encounter along the way. Homestead.com is one of the companies offering basic shared hosting plans for first-time users, with tools for simple website creation. But without the specifications required for large sites, Homestead is most suitable for people creating small, personal sites. However, its unreasonably high prices make it a meager value for money. and its only justification is its desire to make life easier for beginners. But a lack of knowledge about web hosting is no reason to settle for second best. Many companies with the best technology and the most efficient plans will also provide more than enough technology for newcomers. Homestead's strengths lie in a website design, and if you want a comprehensive package, you may be impressed with the company's approach. Even those with minimal technical knowledge can create an attractive and fully functional website in minutes and immediately upload content. However, anyone with previous website design experience will be frustrated by being forced to use the company's design software. It can also cause you to spend considerably more than you might have hoped. For example, to get blogging capabilities, you have to upgrade to the company's business plan, which will cost almost $20 a month. By comparison with most hosting companies, you can use blogging apps like WordPress for free and only pay for your basic hosting. Focusing on website design, Homestead's raw specs are unimpressive, hard drive limits are stringent, and allowable bandwidth is not much better. The company also offers minimal functionality in its starter plan, which is the only plan truly comparable in cost to most other shared hosting plans on the internet. Unless you make additional purchases, the plan will not offer email, use of a personalized domain name, or even more than 5 pages on your website. Unless you upload a minimum amount of content and want to give your website a professional look that provides a dedicated email address and domain name, you won't be happy with the plan for beginners. Although they tend to focus on small businesses and personal websites and e-commerce sites, they offer 3 different plans that can meet various needs. The cheapest plan starts at just $4.99 a month and offers 25 MB of storage and 5 GB of bandwidth per month. This plan does not have domain names or email addresses available at this price, but you can always add that. The second plan, or Gold plan, targets a customer who needs a domain name and email address. They are allowed 100 MB of storage on the server and 15 GB of bandwidth. This plan costs $19.99 a month. Finally, the Platinum package, offering 300 MB of disk space and 25 GB of bandwidth, a listing on the Homestead directory, and a $30 per month credit for advertising on major search engines. For a company that specializes in web hosting for those with little or no hosting experience, Homestead does not offer an imposing support system. Free phone and email support will provide a level of personal support, which is to be welcomed. However, the lack of any necessary online materials leaves customers in the dark about how to solve minor problems on their own. Homestead is currently not for those with previous experience hosting, designing, or managing a website. While it can provide the tools and support to get their business online quickly, these customers may have more success by shopping around. Fatco has one of the strangest names in the web hosting, but that doesn't mean it should be overlooked. Like many of its competitors, Fatco offers shared web hosting. Fatco has a single Linux-based shared web hosting plan that starts at a wallet-friendly $5 a month. However, you can reduce the price to $4.08 a month if you sign up for 3 years in advance. With the Fatco plan, you get unlimited email, unlimited disk space, and more bandwidth. Technically, Fatco doesn't say that it offers unlimited monthly data, but its website states that its architecture was built to support over 99.5% of their customers' needs. The plan also includes a free domain name, which is a shared space in this space. Fatco offers 2 levels of Linux-based WordPress hosting, WP Starter and WP Essential. WP Starter comes with a customizable control panel and several recommended WordPress themes and WordPress plugins that you can install at your leisure. WP Essential is based on WP Starter with higher speeds thanks to a solid-state drive server, increased security, and trained WordPress support staff to help you when you need it. Both plans have unlimited storage, monthly data transfer, and email. Fatco has 3 VPS tiers: Basic, Business, and Optimal. Basic includes a single CPU core, 1 GB of RAM, 40 GB of storage, and 1 TB of monthly data transfers. Next on the ladder is Business, which boasts 2 CPU cores, 4 GB of RAM, 90 GB of storage, and 3 TB of monthly data transfers. Top tier Optimum offers 2 CPU cores, 8 GB of RAM, 120 GB of storage, and 4 TB of monthly data transfers. All VPS servers run on a Linux operating system. Fatco offers 3 dedicated cloud hosting plans. Startup has 2 CPU cores, 4 GB of RAM, 500 GB of storage, and 5 TB of monthly data transfer. Next on the ladder is the Professional plan, which has 4 CPU cores, 8 GB of RAM, 1000 GB of storage, and 10 TB of monthly data transfers. The first-rate Enterprise plan builds on the Professional plan by increasing RAM and monthly data transfers to 16 GB and 15 TB respectively. Fatco's reseller hosting plans are $49.95 per month and include unlimited monthly data transfer, storage, email, subdomains, and databases. You can also apply your company's branding, which is a nice addition. Fatco has several e-commerce options for selling products online, including Equid, Online Store, Mojo Marketplace, and Shop Site Starter. The internal dashboard includes company listings for search engine optimization and e-marketing services. If you want to sell products, you'll need SSL to secure your payment transfers. Fatco has partnered with Komodo to sell SSL certificates starting at $35.99 a year. The vanilla version gives you security on multiple subdomains, a $10,000 guarantee, protected customer information, and the Seal of Trust logo. The top-tier e-commerce security plan includes a $1,750,000 guarantee and a green Trust visual bar. Fatco has both web chat and 24/7 phone customer support. Fatco has a decent 30-day money-back guarantee.